Well, ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for a tech talk on innovations in financial services, the road ahead, key business and technology trends. Well, we're joined now by Sachin Sawant, CTO Ambassador, Dell Technologies. Sachin's an information technology professional with extensive experience in systems engineering, leading pre-sales initiatives, and creating business transformation strategies and executing solutions for clients in banking, financial services, and insurance industries. Thank you so much, Mr. Sawant, for joining us today and giving us your valuable time. With this, it is time now to have you on the stage and screen. Over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this big BFSI Future Tech Show. And thank you for joining in today. Hope you are all doing well, your family members and your friends as well. My name is Sachin Sawant. I am an ambassador to the Office of CTO. I am part of the FSI vertical practice at Dell Technologies. So let's begin. I'll start sharing my screen. In this session, I'll discuss our view of changing FSI business and operating model, the technology capabilities, and how Dell Technology can enable you in your digital transformation journey. Overnight, the pace of digital transformation accelerated this year, and you and your team had to rise to the challenge. You accomplished in a short span of time what normally would have taken years, helping to keep employees, communities, and customers safe. You have proven to your organization's leadership that your IT team and your technology can turn a disruption into an opportunity. However, the question that every IT organization continues to ask is, are we ready for what comes next? To address this question of IT, we first have to see the changing business and operational model in the financial services industry. And here are some significant macro themes that we are witnessing in financial industry. First, the management style of yesteryears was more on active asset management and about traditional assets. And the institutions were asset heavy and capital centric. This was for a reason, but all of that is changing. While the scale of assets still matters, but the data-driven analytics capabilities and the next generation customer experience is propelling. And this is the genesis of rise of fintechs and neobanks with focus on ease of navigation. The model of monoliths offering standard products is changing to more composable banking model where we see a power of rich ecosystem and the rise of platform banking. The traditional banking model and relationship where personal touch revolved around the branch banking model is changing. Because of the pandemic, if no one is walking into the branch, then there is a need for us to meet the customer where they are. COVID has accelerated the need for us to be digital, immersive, personalized, right? The fourth is about GDPR, privacy, risk, security, and other regulations which were met or addressed with a bolt-on solution. Now, this model is changing and it's changing to an AI and ML-enabled regulatory automation. Intrinsic security, privacy by design models, and capabilities are emerging. Now, while there is a meaningful change in the business and operating model, we are also witnessing technology disruptions at all levels. The question financial industry is asking how to drive business insights from the data at scale and the speed across the multi-cloud in a highly secure fashion. This is one of the problems. If you double click on one of the problems of this kind, you will suddenly discover every layer of hardware and software stack is undergoing a profound change. And here are some of the examples. When we compare yesterday's world with today and tomorrow, what awakens us is the definition of user. It's not just about people using and managing thick clients or admins managing their applications and databases, but it's changing from people to machines to AI to bot. The user experience is also changing from a web-based or internet banking to a more immersive mobile and augmented reality and virtual reality. The application architecture is also changing. No longer is the 3GL and the 4GL. It's about apps that are becoming more and more composable and been broken down into smaller microservices, and everything is API driven. The concept of data management is becoming relevant. With advancements in AI, we can build pipelines between the silos of data so that the collected data is accessible to data scientists, and which helps in realizing time to value improvements. So on and so forth. We have multiple such technology disruptions happening, and some of them are listed here on this slide. This technology change has a profound impact on how we will traverse the business and operating model changes. We are entering a world of financial services where just to survive, not to thrive, but just to survive, we need some reference capabilities or foundational technology capabilities to deliver customer centricity, drive new product innovation, deliver regulatory compliance, and deliver resilient operations. Going forward, every bank must be intelligent, connected, personalized, interactive, autonomous, and trusted, with number of capabilities depicted on the slide. The 5 capabilities depicted, we'll go through them one at a time. So the first one, how do you actively spot new business opportunities? It's important to understand who your customers are and what they are looking for. We call it active intelligence. Can you deliver what they require in terms of services and personalized experiences? Because it's not one size fits all model. Can you innovate and be agile at the same time? The world where we used to construct something and then respond to opportunities is gone. You need to sense and respond in real time, and at the same time demonstrate trust, because that is non-negotiable. Can you deliver that type of intrinsic security and privacy, taking care of the fundamental rights of the user? If you have these capabilities to deal with the operating and business model changes, we are seeing emergence of 2 fundamental business models. The first is banking as an experience, completely revolving around customer centricity. Can you make the banking experience embedded in the daily life? The second is about becoming an aggregator. Are you bringing capabilities from partner ecosystem and stitching them into a meaningful way and a unified way to deliver all services required by the users and customers? If these are the fundamental reference capabilities, what type of innovation in terms of digital capabilities are we observing in the financial industry? From the way we see it from Dell Technologies' point of view, to accelerate these type of meaningful digital change, there are 4 pillars of digital transformation. The first is about cloud native applications. Are you thinking of cloud native applications? Are you building cloud native applications using microservices or composable architecture? It's about building modern applications using modern methods with a data-first strategy. The second is about multi-cloud. Are you thinking about multi-cloud where infra is seen as a continuum from edge to the core to the cloud? Defining infra in a seamless delivery mode required for the applications to be deployed irrespective of the location. The third is about hybrid workforce. Do you have capability to deliver personalized experience to the hybrid workforce irrespective of where they are? The yesterday's model of PYOD concept, right? So taking it forward and believing in the philosophy of anywhere, anytime, any device with a secure access. The fourth is about intrinsic security. Do you have trust mechanism where security is not delivered as an overlay function, but embedded in the fabric itself? From our point of view, we see this four pillars of digital transformation, and we have capability to deliver in each of these pillars. Now, for you to address the operating and business model change, you must leverage number of key technologies. This can be organically delivered by you, either built on your own, or you can rely on us as a technology partner and a trusted ally who can deliver it all. Highlighted are key emerging technologies, which will help address this operating and business model change. 5G, starting with 5G, AI/ML, security, data management, multi-cloud, blockchain, and the edge. We at Dell Technologies have solution around all of these key emerging technologies. Now, here's an example. Example about the business themes and the goals. I've depicted three popular business themes: innovation, operational resilience, and operational excellence. Now, there can be more, of course. Look at the technology enabler at the bottom, how they compose themselves in a unified way to deliver required capabilities, in turn delivering enduring value to your customer. Now, let's look at what we deliver that enables you in achieving your business themes and goals. We have a portfolio of compelling product offerings catering to all four pillars of digital transformation and key emerging technologies, which are highlighted in the previous slide. Our offering caters to the entire life cycle of data, enabling you to differentiate in this data era. Our Boomi portfolio for data management helps you to discover, prepare, and integrate data sources, regardless of whether they are on-premise, in multiple cloud, or highly distributed across a myriad of edge locations. You'll be aware of our industry-leading portfolio comprising of clients, compute, network, storage, and data protection solutions, which includes precision workstation, PowerEdge servers, PowerStore, and PowerProtect offerings, to name a few of them. This enables the next phase in data lifecycle, which is about processing, protecting, and storing the data. Some of these technologies unified to deliver Dell Technologies cloud platform based on VMware. We offer a pre-designed and pre-validated ready solutions to accelerate your transformation as you innovate through your data. The ready solutions for data analytics include solutions for Hadoop, Splunk, Spark, Cloudera, and Edge Analytics for Industry 4.0. The ready solutions for AI includes deep learning with NVIDIA, designed for Domino data science platform, digital account opening, digital transaction management and fraud detection, AML, risk and regulatory. Tap into the expertise of our consulting and education services, extending your team and taking them forward. Our portfolio is incomplete without the mention of security. We deliver end-to-end security below and above the operating system. Our advanced data protection is available on demand for cyber recovery protection and for cyber security protection and recovery. Now, I would like to double click on the cloud platform offering, the Project Apex, which we announced at our Dell Technologies World this year, and which brings multi-cloud flexibility to life. Apex delivers what you love about public cloud and what you need in on-prem. So you can be ready for what's next and make multi-cloud flexibility real in your organization. At its heart, Apex is a portfolio of Dell Technologies as a service offering that simplifies digital transformation by increasing IT agility and control. Within Dell, this is about delivering a new business model to support our customers and their needs. Over the coming years, all the Dell Technology products will become available as a service. Apex is currently being offered in US and EMEA. It will soon be delivered in APJ. Now, Apex Cloud Services, which I want to dwell slightly deeper. The Apex Cloud Services embodies the Apex vision for simplicity, agility, and cloud. The portfolio offers a single platform for cloud native and traditional applications with industry-leading deployment times. Here we have set timelines for technology to be deployed on-premise, and which is days and not weeks or months. And of course, the consumption and commerce flexibility. Now, simplicity, when I say simplicity, it's about ease in building the cloud of your choice with tailored solution in just a few clicks. Be agile, meet your business and application needs with flexible cloud solution, and take complete control of your business, protect your organization, and maintain control across your cloud environments with the right security and the required SLA. Now, for something within the Dell Technologies portfolio to be a part of Apex umbrella, it requires the characteristics or the requirement is that it should be easily scalable technology that can be built in increments. The one of the major or significant part is Apex console. It's a foundation of the whole Apex offering. It's an window into customers' Apex experience. The Apex console provides a self-service interactive experience where customers manage their entire Apex lifecycle. The Apex includes services so that we remove the IT burden from your shoulders. So it is Dell managed. So we take care of monitoring, patching, right? So you only have to take care of the administrative part of it. It's based on OpEx billing rather than traditional CapEx. So this was a brief peek into Apex. Hopefully you learned something new about Dell technology today. As we bring this conversation to close, I would like to leave you with one thought: the Dell Technologies advantage. It's not about us, it's about the advantage that you gain by partnering with us. As organizations around the globe navigate through uncharted waters, more and more are turning to Dell Technologies to solve their toughest technology and business problems. So accelerate your digital transformation journey with Dell Technology and be ready for the next. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for staying with me throughout the session. We would be happy if you want to double click on any of these transformation accelerators which I discussed today and explore how Dell Technologies can serve you best as a partner in your transformation journey. So do reach out to us. Thank you again. Stay safe and enjoy the rest of the event.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Sawant, on that incredible tech talk on innovations in financial services, the road ahead, key business and technology trends.